is real adventure now, bro.
Yeah, I'm real disgusting.
This is what real adventure's like. Shit, I don't even know how the hell I'm gonna get over there, though, really. Oh, holy, look at that. Bro, you live in quite the wonderland, my guy. Oh man, this is gonna be sweet cheese. Hopefully the audio's good, but alright. I'm about to go to the waterfall. Again. Pull Kobe. I'm gonna take Jordan with me because I need help. So I'm gonna take Jordan. Bro, you're gonna need a jacket, bro. Go get a jacket, bro, right now. Crazy little kid. Oh damn. I don't know, but I said it now. You gonna move your whip? Right? You can use my key. Here. Bro, granola bars. Load up. Dogs ate the damn hose. They did a whole bunch of burning. It's a lot different right now. You can see the leaves are starting to change over. Oh, they burn all the wood out here. Alright. Yes. Okay. Fire this up. Go pick up the dogs. I've had this truck for the grip. She's still going strong. No lie though, I had to put a couple G's into her as of late, but it's the beauty about cars, you know. You can fix anything as long as you want to. You can fix anything. So this is just the dog mobile. Pick up the kid. You know, when your kids get older, I'm just getting to this part where my kids are like older now. Well, a little bit. Little one's still a little bit. Jackson's still young. Jordan's still young. But I mean, he's old enough to where like he's actually helpful now. You know, like it's cute and shit before, you know what I mean? But now he's like actually helpful. Like I'm bringing him with so, you know, he can help me carry some of my gear. He can help me, you know, with just placement and some photographs, and you know, he's actually helpful now. So it's cool, and I love to spend time with the kids. So, you know, get to teach him the ways of the business. It's not like it's like school, but you know, this is just he enjoys it, so he learns a lot from it. So I'm gonna snatch the little child up, and we will roll out. Had him trying to find the chain, but he ran the wrong way. It's right here. Kobe! Bro, look at this guy. Come here. Oh. Get in. My God, get in. Looks a little weird. Alright. I'm in there, Dad. We're ready to roll. Close the door. If you guys know my gas thing, you know, that's why I leave cars on full. Even when I have a quarter tank of gas, I always keep gas in the tire. Because then you don't make somebody else have to go to the damn gas station like this. No, it's not the end of the world, but we gotta go to the gas station. It's really like right behind the house for the most part. Take a little scoop down the street. Tis raining. So I gotta get this damn windshield fixed, so I gotta do it. I don't even ever drive this thing, so I hardly even know what's going on with it. So she's got her refresh, she got herself a tune-up. Feels good, feels strong, feels normal. But window's a little so.
How did the glass crack?
I really don't know. I wasn't in the whip, so I don't know, honestly. Probably driving on the highway and like a rock flew up, you know, and hit the windshield from a tire, something like that.
Oh.
Well, the store is closed, but you can still get gas, so you just pull up outside and get you your gasoline. Get this gas right quick. You're up. It's like, where are we going? I'm ready to go. Man, this waterfall. We shot a lot of stuff over here, you know, Dog Dynasty we filmed. And, I mean, I've been over here for the vlog a lot. There's actually a video when I discovered this place on this channel, I think. So, yeah, pretty legendary spot. What's up? Yeah, he's sick. Let's get going. Shit. Gas guzzler today. Alright. You remember we were here the other day when we were shooting. We were here the other day for Hulk's birthday, yeah? Obviously that was a little puddle. Big puddle. And then we keep going this way.
And then the waterfall was there.
Yeah. The waterfall's on the left.
That's where you were climbing the mountain.
Oh yeah, you remember that, yeah. Yes.
That's where the
Precisely.
helicopter-
Come here, Jordan. Hold the camera.
Okay.
Point it. Alright. Camera guy stuff here. Getting good shots. Alright, here, hold on. Hold Toby. Or hold them both. You can give me the camera. Now just hold them both. Make sure they don't go anywhere, okay? Hold them right there. Legendary. Alright. I'll take Hulk, you take Kobe, yeah?
Okay. Kobe.
We're gonna walk up this side here.
No.
Stop the road. Come on. Oh, use your words with him, bro.
Kobe. No.
Gotta climb up this mountain up here and we can get to the pool. We got all kind of tourists around. It's hectic shit out here right now. Hopefully nobody is on that recognized tip and we can just slide on by. Very good. Alright. Remember that one?
Where?
The waterfall, remember?
Yes.
Keep going up. There's like the basin. I was like, gee, oh, there's fucking mountain climbing. You guys just woke up this morning like, oh shit, I just feel like climbing a fucking mountain. Well, notify me next time. Because I don't always feel like climbing a fucking mountain. This place is, whew. Try to find the best way down. Say it's probably over here. Yeah. You can unclip him now. He'll just follow you. Unclip him for me too. I only got one hand. Thanks, pal. Thanks. Yeah, hold on now. Put it in your pocket.
Okay.
All right. Come on. Okay, you go first, bro. Come on, Oak. But bro, you chose the hardest way down. You say, yeah, that's what I do. That. It's all good, bro. Got these skills. This place is like majestic. Kobe, bro. You don't want to try that, bro. It's slippery over here. Woo! Got it. Saved it with the quickness. All right. Oh man, kind of right as I went to get the drone, started raining. But I'm probably gonna just go to another spot down the way. Scouted this spot real quick. But look, it's mad deep. But it looks sick. I think I'm gonna come back here and swim. So, but we gotta get to the other spot that the dogs can wade into the water at.
It looks steep right there.
Oh, that is hectic. Alright. Maybe there's a different way. Actually, if they just go around that way, they'll be able to get right down. Let's go. Hulk almost fell out. What are you saying? Kobe. Hulk, follow him. That way. There you go.
Oh.
Now it's easy. Good. Yeah, that was no problem. Come on. Nasty. Oh, Hulk just powers right through it. You got that or not? Bro, you gotta go. There you go. This guy can't. Slow and steady doesn't win that race. Oh shit. Here we are again.
Oh, come on.
This is a real adventure now, bro.
Yeah, I'm real disgusting.
This is what real adventure's like. Shit, I don't even know how the hell I'm gonna get over there though, really.
I don't think I want to get over there now.
Oh, here, we can get over this way. Yep, come on, walk across the log. You got that?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You got that. Balance. Just take your time.
Jump to that rock.
All right, whichever way you think works for you. Well, we gotta get over there. Whew, whew, almost slid down. Yeah, I guess you can go this way and then to there, right? And then right to here, to here. All right, I'm across. I've made it. Hulk's made it. Right, ready? Jump. There you go. All right, good. Now jump there. You got that. Mr. Athletic, bro. What's good? Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Yeah, this place pretty dope. I need my camera though. I need to get my other camera. Shit, I'm gonna have to go back and get it. I'm gonna get the camera! Kobe's, there's no way he's gonna not follow right now. He's like, Dad, you go back to the whip? I'll go with you. I'll go with you. Want me to walk in this log with you? No, I do not. Hulk stayed there with Jordan. Kobe came with me. I'll be right back. Just gotta grab my camera with the long lens so I can kill some of the pictures real quick. Oh, this is just nasty. Alright, Hulk's babysitting for a sec. Well, Jordan, he actually could babysit some damn stuff now. Big boy. Toby just went the hard way. You can go this way, you don't gotta do the little tightrope excursion. Just rip through here. Jordan! There's Hulk. Where's Jordan, Hulk? Oh, he's right there. Oh, you're lucky I found an easier route. Right through here. How's that?
What?
How's that? I just wanted to challenge you at first. We had to make sure that you could get through there. So now that you know you can, I gave you the easy way back. Come on. Alright. This one, gonna find a easy in here. Come on, bro. What's wrong? Grilled cheese life. It's good? Yeah. Hope you got in the front and stomped on my camera. It's okay. It's terrible.
This is better than the grilled cheese that Mom makes.
Oh, bro. You hating on Mom's grilled cheese. It's supposed to be nothing like Mom's grilled cheese. That one's better?
Yes.
It's alright. They made it in the oven though. They kind of cheated. Lisa. He's hating. Alright, come on now. Back in the saddle. I love you too. I love you dudes too. Like, dude, we're psyched as shit. See, that's what we do next. Bro, you want to give people some... go ahead. Go ahead. I know. She's like, I do a lot of licking when I do it. It's just a little bit wet. She's just a little... Girl, you okay? I'm excited. I'm super excited. And I have to do this. Look at me. Girl, oh my God, let me tell you, what they don't know is your breath. Your breath is just, wow, I just got spoogered to the face. Still, let me tell you, girl. Oh, okay, hey, get there. Are you showing your teeth to me, girl? Hey, what are you? Look at that face. Look at that face. Alright, so we know where this guy got this from. Does this look familiar? He's like, come here, let me talk to you, Dad. Let me talk to you. Come here. Come on. Come on. We're talking. You can tell where a lot of them came from. Hulk does it too. She's like, alright. I'm just excited. I'm so pumped, girl. You're so pumped, girl. And so you're such a big, happy girl. What a big, happy girl. You're just really big and really happy. Oh, still, I know. I know, girl. I know. You got me tired of that, though, Dad. Oh, girl, let me tell you, though, that breath is something else, girl. Something else, girl. Oh, my goodness, your breath sucks. Oh. Whew. It's refreshments. If you follow that rainbow. That is in the backyard of where I'm building my fucking house. Pot of gold is in my back fucking yard. It is, yeah. There it is. Follow it and you'll end up at my crib.